Material selection is the one area that you can control your project cost the most. Your countertops, for example. So you could pick a man-made material, the quartz or natural stone, and those can, vary by thousands and thousands of dollars. So if you're wanting something that's economical, there's always an economical option.
We used to always kid that there's been more product available in construction remodeling in the last 10 years than there was in the previous 100. And we were saying that 15 years ago. The amount of product that is available now is just mind-boggling. It's within your control, right? Like, you have the control to select the kind of materials, and I think you want to be working with somebody that's trying to guide you through those decisions.
Most of the time, your biggest line item material is going to be the cabinets. So there are so many choices to make when it comes to cabinets that will impact cost, that are not just about the material itself, but are about how it's made and how it's installed. Countertops are one of the other choices that you'll make that has the most impact on your budget for that reason. There are some beautiful man-made materials that are very durable for countertops that would cost less.
Quality is definitely a little more subjective. We all have our thoughts about what quality means. When you're looking at cabinetry, a lot of people feel that they need solid wood cabinetry. Bad news, there's no solid wood in any cabinet that's being manufactured today. So once you get over that hurdle and you're like, well, do I really need plywood? That takes it down 15 to 20%. And you're still getting a really high quality cabinet, because in reality, a cabinet's quality is judged a lot more on the door and drawer boxes and hardware. You can still get a timeless space and a well-designed space for a lower budget.